Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Friday, July 19, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral dollar-weighted on August put-call ratio. Here we have it with 54% of the total premiums paid. September, we have a bearish reading with 24% of the total premiums paid, and October a neutral reading with 16% of the total premiums paid. Overall, we have a very neutral dollar weighted put call ratio today on the VIX. Going to the charts, here we have the daily chart for SPX, and again here, as you can see, yesterday's high intraday was 1693.12. Today's high intraday 1692.9. Very close. We did make a new all-time high for on a closing basis, not intraday, but still interesting. On the futures, after the cash closed, we did make a new high, all-time high on the futures. Going for the Qs, down 1%, and that was due to Microsoft and HP down all hard. We'll see that, and Google. We'll see those stocks in a minute. You could see here, gap down, 1% down for that. IWM up 0.15% for the day. Interesting here, on a closing basis. Yesterday we did close a little bit lower, as you can see it here, but the high yesterday was 104.59. Today's high was 104.31. So intraday we did not make any all-time high. Going to the metals, here we have gold, and today we were rallying here 125.11, up almost 1% today. No volume here. I remain bearish. I will give it until around 26.50 on my short SLV. Here we have it. You can see it here. The chart. I also remain bearish here. I believe we're going lower, almost 1% up today here, but volume is not there. I'm skipping Apple today, and let's go Google. Google down 1.5% for the day. Nothing compared to where we were. Look at the huge volume. You could see a big rally we had here. Yesterday we were trading around 860, and we were able basically to finish, let's call it 900. So I believe we're going to fill this gap here. We're going to new highs. I'm bullish on Google here. Yesterday we traded Google from a bearish point and for EPS, and now I'm bullish here. I think we're going to new highs given the reaction we had. Let's go to Microsoft. Microsoft, a different story, down 11.4% for the day, breaking the 50 and the 100-day moving average. I believe we're going lower. Yesterday we talked about maybe coming here. Well, we blew past that. 131, basically a low. I believe we're coming to test this 200-day moving average around 29.80, and we could even see a gap fill around this area of 29, let's call it. So yeah, that's gonna be my target, 29. I believe we're filling that gap here on the downside, so I'm bearish on Microsoft. I would not jump in tomorrow, Monday, where we're down 11.5 points here. But that's what I have here. HP, here we have HPQ, Hewlett Packard, down 4.5% for the day. You can see it here. I don't usually trade HP, but nice volume here selling. And I think we're coming to this 50-day moving average. That's going to be critical to hold. So more points to the downside. CMG, Chipotle, we traded to the downside. It had a good earnings, up almost 8.5% for the day, and you could see this nice volume. The important thing here to take out, we did break out on heavy volume. If you got long, very nice, but I would not chase it at this point. And ISRG, interesting move, down 7%. We were down a lot more. You could see this huge rally here. Two big gaps here. I believe we're short-term oversold. Well, we maybe got a confirmation of that based on the move we got here to the upside. Today's low was uh, 357. We closed at 392. That's more than a 10, almost a 20% move there on that, from low to high. That's impressive here. I believe we're coming to test this gap fill here. I would trade it to the upside, but very carefully here.